Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making baked beans. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 2 22-ounce cans of Bush grilling beans, 4 slices of bacon, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of molasses, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then fry your bacon. Allow your bacon to cook until it is crispy and golden brown. Remove your bacon from the pan, then set it aside until later. Now add your onions to the pan and saute for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional 1 minute. Now add the beans, mustard, ketchup, barbecue sauce, molasses, and apple cider vinegar, then mix until well combined. Soul Food Cooking, the cookbook, is now available. For more information, see the description below. Add the brown sugar, smoked paprika, chili, salt, and pepper, then mix until well combined. Bring the beans to a light simmer, then add the crumbled bacon and mix well. Transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.